Hello everyone. Today we'll be making shrimp with cumin, rice, and peas. So for this, we'll need 4 bamboo skewers, 2 cups of water, 1 cup of rice, half a cup of frozen peas, 1 tablespoon of butter, and 1 teaspoon of each salt and cumin seeds. A flat plate or aluminum foil with 15 shrimps, 2 teaspoons of vegetable oil, a spice of your choice and amount, and some pieces of tape. So now, take 2 skewers and take about 1 to 2 inches of each side and stick it onto each other using tape. This way, you will have a longer skewer and your hand will be farther from the griddle. Do the same thing with the 2 other skewers. In a microwavable bowl, take 2 cups of water, the 1 cup of rice, and the half cup of peas and pour it in. Then add a tablespoon of butter and a teaspoon of both salt and cumin. Then stir the contents, folding them on top of each other. Place the microwave in the bowl and heat for 10 minutes. Now, while the rice cooks, you can now focus on cooking the shrimp. So take the plate of shrimp and add a spice of your choice and amount. Then take 2 teaspoons of vegetable oil and drizzle it on the shrimp. Then mix up all the shrimp with the spice and vegetable oil. So now you're going to put the shrimps on the skewers. For me, I just put about 5 or 6 on each of them, but depending on the size of your skewer, you can add as much as you want. Hold the skewer and the shrimps parallel to the ground while inserting the shrimp. Spread out the shrimp so that it covers the length of the skewer. So next you're going to plug in the griddle. So place the shrimp on the griddle and heat each side for 3 minutes. When your rice is done, take it out of the microwave and place on the counter. And once your 3 minutes are done, go ahead and flip the shrimps on the other side. In the event that the shrimp dries up on the griddle, feel free to add more spice or oil. Now before doing anything else, unplug the griddle, then take the shrimps off the griddle and put them on a plate. Take some of the rice that's in the bowl and place it on the plate. Then using a fork, take the shrimps off the plate and throw away the skewers. Now you finally have your product in front of you. Go ahead and enjoy and pat yourself on the back. You did it. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave some suggestions in the comments below.